So this is the first hypnotic practice, and what I'd like you to do is to tie in the breath to what it is that you're doing. And with coherent breathing, the idea is that you lengthen and equalize the inhale and exhale, ideally to about 5 or 6 seconds. It doesn't have to be that long if that's uncomfortable, but that's the thing to aim for. So what you're doing with this is you can imagine the awareness travelling along the spine as you breathe, up on the inhale and down on the exhale. And we were talking about chakras before, so let's stay with that. And the central chakra, the anahat, the heart space, is right in the middle, and there are 3 chakras above and 3 below, more or less. So what you can do is, as you're breathing out, being aware of that heart space and the movement of breath and the movement of awareness in the spine tied with each other. And what you can do in a few moments is to link the movement of the hands and arms with the breath, so that as you inhale, the arms raise up, and at the end of the inhale, the back of the hands rest on the floor above your head, and on the exhale they come back down and they rest at their starting position. So just keep these 2 movements for a little while, and again mindful of your neighbours. And if you can do this going up and down the spine, then you get to it's possible to get to a natural count and rhythm of 5 or 6 seconds inhaling and 5 or 6 seconds exhaling. So once you've got that embodied and familiar, that movement of the hands and arms, you can rest them down by the sides, if you like, but carry on mentally with this same awareness of breathing. So it feels as if the hands and arms, although physically resting, that it is in your experience that they're still moving. So let the hands rest by the sides now, but carry on this same breathing and this same sensation of the hands and arms raising on the inhale and coming back to their starting position by the sides of the body on the exhale. And continue like this for some time. Continue like this for some time. And as you are doing this, travel around the body. And remember that Nidra is an effortless practice, so I don't want you to do anything that requires effort. And if you find that there may be more to focus and concentrate on than you want to, you can just rest effort and attention. Otherwise, you can simply watch the things that are being suggested happening, because your deeper mind knows what to do and how to do it and understands what's going on. So in a few moments, when we start doing the rotation, which will be a standard Satyananda rotation from the right side, I'd like you to imagine that either above you or behind you, so if above, facing each other, and if below, facing away from you, that you have a reflection of your physical body. And of course, if you're lying on your side, you can just adjust your awareness of that accordingly. It could be that you have magically a mental mirror above you, so you have your body reflecting back at you. Or it could be as if you were lying on a reflective surface and the reflection, the doppelganger if you like, of your body is lying underneath you facing the other way, very comfortably, because it is in imagination and therefore can be very comfortable, and you can even imagine that you're looking after each other. So as you travel around the body, on this physical body, so you can travel around with your reflection, face to face or back to back. No need for effort, just letting that happen or not. You have perfect freedom of choice, and you can engage with this as much or as little as you like. So just notice what it's like to feel the sensation in both of those right hand thumbs. The right hand thumbs, the index fingers, middle fingers, ring fingers, little fingers, fingers and thumbs together, palms, back of hands, wrists, forearms, elbows, upper arms, shoulders, armpits, sides, waists, hips, right thighs, right knees, right shins, calves, ankles, heels, soles, insteps, right big toes, second toes, third toes, fourth toes, fifth toes, and all of both of those right sides. And then left sides, left thumbs, index fingers, middle fingers, ring fingers, little fingers, all of those fingers and thumbs together, those palms, backs of hands, wrists, forearms, elbows, upper arms, shoulders, armpits, sides, waists, hips, left thighs, knees, shins, calves, ankles, heels, soles, insteps, and left big toes, second toes, third toes, fourth toes, and fifth toes. Both of those left sides, both right arms, both left arms, all arms, both right legs, both left legs, both legs, both spines, the right shoulder blades, left shoulder blades, all of the backs and backs of necks, backs of heads, tops of heads, foreheads, right temples, left temples, right eyebrows, left eyebrows, eyebrow center, right eyes, left eyes, noses, right cheeks, left cheeks, right ears, left ears, upper lips, lower lips, both lips, all lips, chins, throats, right collarbones, left collarbones, right sides of chests, left sides of chests, centers of chests, rib cages, diaphragms, navels, abdomens, groins, all of both bodies resting comfortably all the way through, deep down, relaxed, and feeling, lying there on the ground, listening to the sound of my voice and the sounds from outside, being aware of being here in this practice of Yoga Nidra, safe and sound. Safe and sound. And carry on with that awareness of breathing up and down the spine. The arms can rest. And awareness travels up on the inhale and down on the exhale. And imagine now as if you can be sitting beside yourself ever so comfortably, observing the body, resting there, what it's like, how it's covered, how it is supported, the cushions, bolsters, and so on, the clothes that the body there is wearing. And feel that as you sit there, as the awareness travels up the spine, inhaling and down the spine, exhaling, both lying down and sitting up, that it's as if you're sitting next to yourself, resting with your back leaning against your body, sitting there, so you're back to back, next to your body lying, and the back of your head resting against the back of your head, and all of you inhaling up the spine and exhaling down the spine, and that distribution of weight as you lean back, perfectly balanced as you lean back against yourself, so comfortably, next to you lying there so easily, inhaling up and exhaling down the whole length of the spine, knowing that you've got your back, you can take your ease, you can feel safe and sound here and now, and there's nothing else to do, nowhere to go, no one to please, just enjoying the experience of being here by yourself, with yourself, breathing along the spine, slowly inhaling and slowly exhaling, and not needing to do much of anything else, except enjoying the experience, resting there, resting with your back against the ground supporting you, resting with your back against your back supporting you, and not having to do much except to feel good, safe, complete, whole, and right now all can be as it should. So breathe like this another half a dozen times, and then come back, everything together. And when you come back, you can feel everything together. This idea of integrative restoration, as Rejuvenation calls it, is what Yoga Nidra is. So when you're ready to come back to the here and now, whole, complete, lucid, grounded, ready to carry on with the rest of the evening in just the right way, you can do that. Safe and sound, here and now.